Opendoor Technologies states their mission is to simplify and modernize the residential real estate transaction process by offering a digital platform that allows customers to buy, sell, and move at the tap of a button. They intend to provide an on-demand experience using software, data science, product design, and operations. The traditional home buying or selling process in the U.S. can be complex, time-consuming, and offline, leaving consumers dissatisfied. Opendoor aims to transform this by offering a simple and certain online experience for residential real estate transactions. The residential real estate market in the U.S. is a massive but highly fragmented industry, where iBuyers captured less than 1% of transactions in 2024. iBuyers, defined by Opendoor as companies that use technology to price homes, acquire properties, and facilitate real estate transactions. Approximately 90% of these transactions involve an agent, leading to an inconsistent experience for consumers. As online shopping becomes more common, consumers are demanding digital-first experiences for efficiency and speed, but the real estate transaction is still largely offline. Moreover, the COVID-19 pandemic increased demand for simpler and more certain digital processes in home buying and selling. The traditional process of selling or buying a home is complex and stressful for both sellers and buyers. The seller typically needs to find an agent, prepare the home for listing, list it, host open houses and home visits, receive and negotiate offers, handle potential repair issues, and wait for closing. In addition, the over 20% chance of a contract falling through may force them to restart the process. For buyers, they often face challenges in lining up their home purchase with their sale, resulting in contingencies or needing to move twice before finalizing their new home purchase. Opendoor explains they offer an end-to-end real estate platform for customers to sell and buy a home online, whereby homeowners can sell their home directly to Opendoor, avoiding the stress of open houses, preparing the home for market, and uncertainty while listing. Customers receive an estimated offer online which is verified through a home assessment before finalizing the sale with a preferred closing date and electronic closing, where permitted. Opendoor reasons their offerings provide more certainty and transparency compared to traditional listings by including all costs in their final offer. Opendoor offers three main products: Sell to Opendoor, where homeowners can sell their home directly to Opendoor, avoiding the stress of open houses and uncertainty. List with Opendoor, which allows customers to list their home on MLS while also receiving Opendoor's cash offer. And Opendoor Marketplace, a capital-light marketplace offering that connects sellers with institutional and retail buyers without taking ownership of the home. They charge fees for their services, such as a service fee or listing fee, and provide integrated title insurance and escrow services through subsidiaries. The company's primary revenue stream comes from acquiring homes directly from sellers and reselling them to buyers. The business aims to achieve long-term margin objectives by making competitive offers, providing value-added services, and reducing inventory exposure and capital intensity. Demand is generated through organic awareness, paid media spend, and partnerships. Offers are based on an estimated price calculated using algorithms and verified by a combination of virtual and/or in-person home assessments. The company tracks the true seller conversion rate as a measure of their value proposition strength. They also add potential customers to a pool to engage with later when they're ready to transact, leveraging their registered user base for future growth. After acquiring a home from a seller with the intention of reselling it, Opendoor allows for a flexible timeline in order to better accommodate sellers who are also buyers. This feature helps ensure that the timing of selling one home and buying another is coordinated. Once acquired, Opendoor takes on the responsibility of conducting necessary repairs and improvements before resale to make sure the house is in sale-ready condition. They utilize third-party contractors and adjust their strategies based on market experience and neighborhood-level resale outcomes. Opendoor markets its homes across channels like their website, mobile app, local MLS, real estate portals, and through signage for listed properties. They primarily sell to individual consumers with some sales to institutional investors. Their financial performance is affected by how efficiently they turn inventory, bearing holding costs like utilities, taxes, maintenance, and insurance during the ownership period. The company determines a suitable resale strategy for each home using data-driven decisions and their proprietary pricing engine. Resale models are designed to achieve target margins while maintaining an appropriate transaction pace and healthy inventory portfolio. Once an acceptable offer is received, buyers typically conduct inspections, finalize mortgage applications, and take possession of the homes upon closing. The company has prioritized developing industry-leading pricing capabilities since its inception, They've invested in their research and data science teams to gather, aggregate, correct, and synthesize an expanding catalog of proprietary, hyperlocal data that enhances and automates pricing decisions. The proprietary models are informed by hundreds of data points collected from over 850,000 assessments, resulting in approximately 2.3 billion annotations and adjustments to MLS and tax assessor data. They use AI for categorizing data on the condition of homes and their surroundings. Additionally, they collect home-level demand data, such as visits and visitor feedback, to calibrate resale strategy and acquisition home pricing. Their unique data works with pricing algorithms using machine learning for pricing decisions, which include modeling observed home sale prices, demand forecasting, outlier detection, risk assessment, and inventory management. In order to manage the business effectively amidst seasonal and macro market fluctuations, Opendoor has prioritized investment in pricing capabilities, forecasting, and resale systems, which are complemented by a strong risk management focus embedded in their pricing, finance, and operations teams. By centrally managing all pricing decisions, the company ensures control over overall growth and margin objectives. It does this through effective inventory exposure management, recalibration of pricing models to market signals on a daily basis, optimization of sell-through and margin using real-time local market demand information, diversification across 50 markets and various home types, and maintaining an unoccupied, sale-ready listed homes portfolio which increases liquidity. The company also limits its exposure to macro market changes by having already found buyers for a portion of their inventory under resale contract. Opendoor explains it invests in an agile, low-cost digital platform that allows for more competitive home selling offers and flexibility to adapt to market changes. They have built a streamlined, vertically integrated system that leverages technology for virtualization, centralization, and automation to reduce costs, increase speed, and improve quality of execution. This includes proprietary construction management tech, which facilitates centralized processes, staff flexibility, cost economies, training enhancements, faster turnaround times, and better customer experience. They also have a network of over 450 trade partners who use their technology for home repairs and maintenance. The company's growth strategy involves three main priorities: increasing penetration in existing markets by growing market share and improving operational efficiencies, expanding to new markets based on drivers of supply, demand, affordability, housing stock, and cost structure, and expanding product offerings to enhance the digital experience for home sellers and buyers. The end goal is to build a best-in-class end-to-end digital platform that offers a seamless transaction process while increasing awareness, trust, and adoption. Other marketing strategies involve what they call a diversified and multi-channel approach that emphasizes efficient growth. The channels utilized for marketing include earned media, online real estate partnerships, paid advertising such as online channels, direct mail, television, radio, social media, and outdoor advertising. The aim is to drive awareness and build trust with consumers in a new category through broad reach and national channels like television and sponsorships. Additionally, the company maintains relationships with homeowners who might not be ready to sell immediately, converting them when they are prepared to transact. This strategy is expected to lead to an expanding prospective customer base over time as more people start their home journey with Opendoor. Opendoor sees its primary competition as the majority of offline residential real estate transactions in the U.S. They also compete with other online real estate buyers, iBuyers, and adjacent services such as title and escrow companies. However, they believe their focus on a complete digital solution, superior pricing engine, and low-cost operations provide them with a competitive edge over these rivals. The company's business is heavily reliant on data and technology throughout the entire process of buying or selling a home. They have a diverse team of engineers, data scientists, designers, and product managers who are proficient in various technical areas to develop their proprietary technologies for pricing homes, accessing them, and managing them. The utilization of technological innovations helps boost efficiency and enables the company's rapid expansion. Third-party cloud computing services are employed to maintain infrastructure costs while focusing on product development. Additional third-party services facilitate digital contract signings, home video uploads, and customer support management. For more on Opendoor and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.